Thank you so much for being with me on another tour. I am so excited to share this model home by Newmark Homes. Look at that killer second kitchen, that messy kitchen. Newmark is known for doing some really cool things in their property, including those messy kitchen and so many other features, and I'm going to show all of them to you. We're going to go through this entire property, and I'm going to show you all the finishes and get you in this house, and we're going to do this walkthrough together, and we're going to do it right now. Now, thank you again. I just want to say I really appreciate you taking just a couple of minutes to walk through this property with me. It is my joy, and I just love so much bringing you through these homes and helping you find the dream home you're looking for. Now, this one is going to check a lot of boxes. If you work from home, if you have a larger family, or if you just have guests that come and visit frequently, this is a great option for you. Now, the Newmark does a lot of cool things. I'm going to show you in just a moment some of the features that they add that they've really kind of a really good reputation for, and like that messy kitchen, which we'll explore. This is the Ladybird plan, and it's a 5-bed, 5 total bath, 3,846 square feet property. It is on 0.27 acres, so just a little over a quarter of an acre. And it's got a lot of the cool things that you find in homes similarly sized, like that huge soaring ceiling in the living room, and all of the light and the transom windows and all the things. So this has got the stainless package. I love the hardwood floor all throughout the house. Cabinets, lovely, beautiful white. We've got those clear cabinets in the front with the glass fronts so that you can kind of do a decorative display inside your cabinets. We've got I was trying to open this door. It took me a second, so I apologize. But this is the closet space. Obviously, they're still using it as a model home and a office location. And they're demonstrating a lot of what they're doing in the community on that table right there. But this home is for sale. It's actually listed right now on the MLS for $1.299 million. And dollars per square foot, you're looking at about $338. Now, it's in Rough Hollow, which is in the kind of Lakeway, southwest Austin area. It's in Lake Travis School District, which is world-renowned. It's actually, everybody flocks here. So many people flock here because of that particular school district. It's a really popular school district. And the tax rate in this community is about 2.45%. Now, this is that kitchen I was referring to you, and I wanted to turn off the lights before I went in there and then turn on those undermount and overmount lights so that you can see the difference with them on and off. But this is a messy kitchen, so if you're a caterer or you party and you have a lot of folks come over regularly, you entertain, that's a great place just to toss your dishes in an area where you can shut the door and you do not kind of mess up that beautiful main living space. Here is your laundry room, cabinets on the uppers, and the garage will be on the other side of that door. Coming around the corner space here, one of the first bedrooms that we'll see, and you can see pretty amply sized, not a bad size at all for the bedroom. And I love how they don't take away from a lot of the other square footage needs in the homes, like this living space or the upstairs space, which we'll get to momentarily. Now, we have a gorgeous back patio. Walking out here, it's covered, and you'll see it kind of makes an L shape around the back side of the property, so you can have kind of 2 entertaining areas. Maybe you do like a little gas pit there, or you do a barbecue setup out there, but it's just great. And then you have that second level above it, also covered, and it just kind of protrudes out into that backyard. I love the owner suite on the right. You'll see that bay window. It's a very nice finish out there, and all these amazing picture windows. It just brings all that light in from the outside in. We have these double French doors set up here. Then we're going to head up into the living space. I bumped my camera on the door. I didn't even realize that till just now. You know, there's a lot of things when you film that you go back and you finish doing all your edit work and so forth, and then you're like, oh my gosh, I missed that. So right off the living space here. By the way, if you like this plan, you'll also probably love the Preston 3 by Weston. Check out the link above here, and you'll see that plan. Great plan. I do love how this bedroom has that bay window finish out, kind of the half circle, really kind of extends that room out. And we're going to go in and check out this owner's bath. Beautiful finish, a little bit more open. I do love that style of tub. That rectangular, but it's got those rounded corners between the 2 vanities. Again, just stowed in there nice and perfectly. Really good layout and great use of space. Now, this community, if you're not familiar, the Rough Hollows area is actually not far from, it's actually right on the lake. The community is right on the lake. There is a yacht club. If you like boats, if you like water sports, it is the place for you. This community is outstanding. It's got all kinds of amenities. And there's actually a $208 monthly HOA in this community. But just know that this builder, Newmark, is actually building in multiple places. So if you like this plan, but you don't want to pay for the monthly HOA, you don't want to be in this community, there are a lot of options for you. Now look at those transom kind of horizontal windows above that 5-light door. It's just awesome. I love how it brings in all that. They did a great job on the elevation, bringing all that light in. Now we're going to head upstairs momentarily, but just a little bit more about the community. So this area is actually not too far, as I mentioned, southwest Austin, and it's not far from Marble Falls. So you have water on the lake in Lake Travis, and then you can also jump on 71 and head out to Marble Falls. And Marble Falls is a beautiful community. I love the views. If you've ever watched my videos with plans like this, the views down into the main area, it's fantastic. And stay tuned. I've got a great video coming up on the Weston Zilker plan. There's actually 2 that I'm going to show you, but they just do a great job as well. But this plan is awesome. I love the view down. They turned this into an office, and they showed you how furniture can be placed in here for all your cabinets versus the expensive built-ins. I do love when built-ins are in a bedroom, but I often don't like how people get their hearts set on them. They see that in the model home, and I appreciated the reason why is because if they wanted to do that in their house, it costs 20 grand or 15 grand or 10 grand to put in really sophisticated built-ins in your office. But these bedrooms are connected by this Jack and Jill. But what they did in that room, in that office, was they went and they put in the built-in, or the cabinets that are furniture pieces to really show the space after it's not built in, and you save some cost there. You could put money in some different areas. Bedrooms are all really, really nicely sized, but just a little bit more about kind of the area. So heading down Highway 71, which is what this community is on, you go west even further and you're in that beautiful community, Marble Falls. It is just a stunning area. It leads out into the hill country where there's beautiful camping and more water sports and Horseshoe Bay, and it's just a lovely part of Austin. And also why the price tag is what it is, because the location is fantastic. And guys, it's beautiful. I was coming back from shooting this video, heading down 71 onto another road called Southwest Parkway, and I just saw this beautiful view of the downtown skyline from that road, and it is just awesome. So the proximity, it's almost like a different city. If you've ever been to Lakeway, it is by jurisdiction a different town, but it is all part of Austin, but it really is a different feel down here. It's so nice and lovely, hill country and water. It's just beautiful. So this is that media space upstairs, huge space, really, really cool layout here. You can do a number of things, homeschool. You can, turn this into a game room, a pool table, ping pong, whatever it is. And of course, now we have this theater space, which is right off that room. You can kind of close this off, barn door it off, whatever you want to do, and turn that into kind of a really enclosed space to really get some good sound if you wanted to turn that into the theater. Now, from the first level, we went out back and we looked up. This is that upstairs patio, that covered patio area. And it must have been 109 when I was filming this. So being in the shade was really, really nice. And they've got great views up here. And again, this plan, it can be on a beautiful lot. You can get views. It's really, really lovely. But this one, again, it is for sale, $1.29 million. And if you have questions about any of that, let me know. And this house is only a couple of years old. The year built tax records say it was built in around the 2021 is when it's registered. So the house builders usually include a number of warranties. It would be pared down significantly since this one has been built and walked through. But, again, new construction generally always comes with a varying set of warranty options available to you. So this is a beautiful plan, and I'm just, again, excited that you got to go on this tour with me. Thank you so much, guys. And I just want to say, do me a favor. At the end of this video, there's going to be a couple of recommendations that YouTube is going to pop up. Click on one of those. I would love to get your feedback as you explore some of the videos on our channel. Come be a part of our community. I just greatly appreciate it. I'm so thankful. I love that elevation from the outside, by the way. Didn't they do a great job? And that's kind of the drone. It was a windy day, y'all, and my drone nailed it. It was beautiful. I felt like it did. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. Give me a comment below. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for taking time to view this. And again, check out some of the other videos that YouTube will suggest. Give me a like down below and subscribe. If you haven't already, I would love to have you as a permanent member of this community, this YouTube family. And we will appreciate you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one.